Hi, I'm Mike Havas. I'm here today to walk you through the features and benefits of Audacity waterproof rigid core flooring. It's the best product in the market today for waterproof vinyl flooring. Audacity rigid core is a premium vinyl and limestone based product, which makes it one of the strongest waterproof floors on the market today. It has superior dimensional stability, it's fast and easy to install with our state-of-the-art click system. Audacity can be installed into any room, including 3-season sunrooms, basements, even bathrooms and kitchens. Audacity does not have to be acclimated before installing, unlike other luxury vinyl products which slow your project down. You can install it as soon as you get home. Another excellent feature about Audacity is it can be installed over very large areas, up to 6,400 square feet, without any transition molding. That's a huge advantage for homeowners. Audacity is also a great option for families with kids and pets. It comes with a pet stain warranty to give you peace of mind in case pet accidents happen. Audacity is 10 times more impact resistant than WPC, wood plastic composite flooring. Also, thanks to Audacity's Stampede ceramic bead top coating and dense internal core, it will give you years of lasting beauty. It's 3 times more rigid than your standard luxury vinyl flooring, making it super tough. Not only that, when it comes to cleanliness, Audacity has tons of advantages that you won't find in carpets or most waterproof floors. Thanks to our incredible durable Stampede top layer finish, accidents can easily be cleaned with a pH neutral cleaner and water. Residential steam mops are also warranted and can be used to create an atmosphere in which most bacteria or viruses can't survive. Audacity also helps with sound absorption. It comes with a pre-attached sound absorbing pad, allowing for minimal sound and a soft underfoot feel. Audacity not only performs, but it looks amazing. It comes in great colors with deep real wood embossed texture. So whether you're going for a classic traditional wood look or a minimal modernist style, there will be decors and color options available that look great in any space. Audacity comes in a variety of sizes and textures. It comes in widths between 4¼ and 9½ inches wide and lengths from 48 to 60 inches. Some collections feature embossed in register surface technology for truly realistic wood look and feel. That means that the pattern follows the texture closely. Audacity is also available in tile patterns in the 12 by 24 inch format. Tiles that are easy to click together have become a game changer for bathrooms and kitchen projects. No more need for messy grout and exhausting floor prep. This product installs right over your existing interior floor. We take your safety seriously. That's why Audacity waterproof rigid core is Floor Score certified. This ensures environmentally responsible manufacturing processes are practiced. This also gives you exceptional indoor air quality in your home. Audacity is also so durable, it comes with residential and commercial wear warranties. Thanks for watching. You can find installation videos on Audacity's YouTube channel and social media. And check out our new Audacity Room Visualizer. It allows you to take a picture of any room in your home on your tablet or phone and put Audacity into it to determine the color that best suits your style. For more information, please visit us at www.audacityflooring.com.